What's going on, vibers? It's your boy J.S. Vaughn. And guess what, y'all? We are definitely back with another one. Listen here, I ain't trying to waste y'all time, and I know y'all want to jump right into the video. So let's go ahead and do that, fam. You know?
You right now, yeah, right now. Girl, it's you and me to infinity, yeah, darling.
Well, that's beautiful right there, man. For this track right here is for all the loved ones right there, all y'all happily married people out there and whatnot, you know what I mean? Or everybody that's chilling and just relaxing right now. Let's motherfucking go.
Throwback. We were meant to be. Girl, you've always been my lover. Always been my lover. You and me for eternity. Girl, you've always been my lover. Always been my.
I mean, like that's not how it always starts in the beginning of a relationship. You always have that Google Gaga feeling and whatnot. You think it's gonna last forever. You know what I mean? I love that feeling. You know what I mean? Let's go.
Girl, you've always been my love.
I know, Mary Bear.
Always been my love. My enemies necessary enough to keep you, baby. Stay near me, no ifs, no maybe. Man, I sing in your ears like a canary, but I me pitching at your heart like Picheri. You ever present when me call you girl? No hide and seek because it's official. Feel sweet when you wrap up in these arms, me girl, and me heart a jump up like a carnival. So girl,
He said, "My heart a jump up like a carnival."
in these arms, me girl,
And my heart to jump up like a carnival. We were meant to be.
Girl, you've always been my lover. Always been my lover. You and me
For
eternity. Girl, you've always been my lover. Always been my lover. Me without you is like a dog without a bone, like a king with.
Me without you is like a dog without a bone. Sheesh, damn, that's sentimental right there. Me without you is like a dog without a bone. Oh, that's so fucking sweet. That's so fucking sweet. Me without you is like a dog without a bone.
Like a king without a throne, like a queen without a cone.
Hey.
Salon without a comb, sprint without a phone, without you. My girl, you know me house is
He said sprint without a phone. What? Yo, I ain't gonna hold you. If you guys don't know and shit, if you were back in the day, if you was not, I don't know if it's just in my general area in Brooklyn, if you were Caribbean and whatnot, and if you had any kind of service besides Sprint, you wasn't Caribbean. You know what I mean? You wasn't Caribbean. You know what I mean? Shit.
salon without a comb, sprint without a phone, without you. My girl, you know me house is not a home. In my life, me need a girl, I realize that. Never gonna leave your side, I hope you recognize that. Nothing in life comes easy, girl, you know I earn that, learn that. Me not gonna turn back, so baby, you and me, we were meant to be. Girl, you've always been my
Life always been
my lover.
you and me.
For eternity, girl, you've always been my lover.
Always been my lover.
You right now, me and you right now. You right now, until forever I vow. Me and your baby. You are the B to the E-A-T. I'm me heart, you are me baby. Girl, it's you right now. You and me, we were meant to be. Girl, you've always been my lover. Always been my lover. You and me for eternity. Girl, you've always been my lover. Always been my lover. You and me, we were meant to be. Girl, you've
Yeah. Yeah, man. It was a good journey. You know what I mean? I like the energy coming out from this track right here. You know what I mean? From like the beginning to end. Good feeling, good vibes and whatnot. Always good to see a positive relationship song somewhere in the atmosphere and whatnot. I hope you guys felt the energy coming out this one. I definitely did and whatnot. If you guys want more track from your boy over here, Busy Signal, or any other type of tracks, you already know what it is, man. Put it down there in the comment section. I got y'all all day long. That being said, man, I'm going to check you guys out next time on the next video. Peace out, one love, and I'm out. You already know, fam. Let's go. You know.